Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this issue. In my case here, I'm going to input my USB drive that has Windows. So I have an issue here. I can't boot and my Windows cannot load, but I want to install Windows on this computer. This shows that the selected boot device failed. Click enter to continue. In my case, I'm going to restart and click F10 to go to the BIOS system, so that I can do some changes. So when you reach here, to take us here, and you have to go to system configurations, as you can see. In system configuration, you go down and click on enter, then it will take you to this part. So in this area you have to go to legacy support and enable that option and click enter, click yes, and this will disable the secure boot. Then after, I'm going to click F10 to save changes, and then the computer will reboot. Then I'll wait for it to load, and then to bring us here. So what happens here, some of you get stuck when you reach here. It wants you to input this so that you can keep the changes that you made in the BIOS system. And I'm going to click the changes is here, and on your case here it will be different, and other computers to appear in the BIOS system, that option. So I'm going to click 4076 and click enter, then to save the changes. Then I'm going to go ahead and click the F9 so that we go. Sorry about that. I'm going to hold and restart again. F9. Then this will bring us to the boot menu, and then to see our USB drive, it is here. Then I'll click enter, then to ask me to click any key so that continues the process of installing the Windows. In my case, I have Windows 8.1, and then this is how you resolve that issue. In case you're stuck and your hard drive is not being seen, it's because the legacy support is disabled and the secure boot is enabled. This is how it works. So the Windows files are going to load, and when the progress bar comes in, it will take us to the blue screen. Then this is how it works. Then you can watch my other videos on how to install Windows 8.1 or Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.